This is a Waldhoff tornado. It is powered by an ETA 7750 mechanical chronograph movement with automatic winding. It has 25 joules, a power reserve of 40 hours, and a high frequency of 28,800 beats per hour. This watch was previously offered with a different movement, the Peacock 4601, which is a legal copy of the ETA 7750. Both movements have exactly the same function. Now I'm going to show you how to wind the watch. Number one, manual winding. You just grab the crown and turn it clockwise roughly 30 times. As the movement is getting loaded, you will notice an increase in the resistance it takes to turn the crown. The second way is to simply wear the watch. The rotor in the back will add kinetic energy to the movement. To set the time, pull the crown out 2 steps and turn it counterclockwise. When the crown is pulled out, you will notice the second hand on the left subdial will also stop moving. To change the date, pull out the crown 1 stop and turn it clockwise. To change the day, turn it counterclockwise. And then push it back in. And that's it. And now onto the chronograph function. This center hand pointing at 12 o'clock is the chronograph counter. To start it, push the button at 2 o'clock, like so, and the hand starts moving. If you want to stop it, push it again, and the hand stops. To reset it, push the pusher at 4 o'clock, and it will go back to 12 o'clock. This movement also allows the chronograph hand to be stopped and then restarted. To do so, start the chronograph like you did before with a 2 o'clock pusher and the hand starts moving. Stop it, push it a second time, and then push on the 4 o'clock position to restart it. The hand starts moving again. I'm going to do it one more time. Push at 2 o'clock, a second time, and then to restart it at 4 o'clock. Now to reset it, stop it and push at 4 o'clock, and the hand goes back to 12. On the dial you will see 2 subdials surrounded by a metal trim. The top subdial counts the minutes, and the 6 o'clock subdial counts the hours. Now I'm going to show you how to change the straps. Turn the watch over, and with the help of your nail or a plastic credit card, slide the small pin on each end of the strap inward, so in this direction. And the strap comes right off. Again on this side. And there you go. And now I'm going to attach a different strap on it. So it's the same process. I'm going to put the part of the pin on the opposite side of the sliding lever into the small hole on the lug, like so. And then with my nail, I'm going to pull the small lever inwards to shorten the spring bar. There you go. Now the other one, same process. There you go. So once you attached it, you want to pull on it slightly to make sure that it's correctly attached. Sometimes it looks like it's attached, but it's not really on there. So you want to check it a little bit. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.